Hello students, welcome back to the class of psychology. Okay students, let's continue our topic, our third chapter, the basis of human behavior. Okay, in our previous class we studied that the evolution process, evolution perspective, under which we studied how the evolution process take place in the human beings and what are the changes that we see in the human beings in comparison to the earlier time. Okay, now students, today we are continuing our topic with the biological and cultural roots of the behavior. Now the next question arises in your mind that why we studied the biological and cultural roots of the human behavior. Why it is compulsory, why it is mandatory to study psychology, the biology. Okay, so students, as you know that in biology we study the brain, body, structure of body, but when we study the biological basis of human behavior, we mainly focused on the brain and the nervous system. Okay, and we studied the brain as a main factor who determine our behavior. Okay, and student, the cultural roots, as we talk about the cultural roots, it is very important to study the cultural roots of the human behavior. Okay students, so when psychologists and other persons found in many cases that it is very obvious to study the brain under the biological basis of the human behavior, because after any disease or any injury or any accident, when any cell of brain got damaged or injured, after that the person showed many kind of learning disabilities, physical disabilities and brain related disabilities. So it is very important to read and study the brain as a main factor of the behavior. Okay, and as well as the cultural roots also, because cultural roots, as you all know, we nurture in a environment. Okay, we nurture by our culture, so are born and brought up in a particular culture, so the cultural values, the cultural factors affected a human being's behavior very much. So it is very important to read and study the cultural roots of the behavior also. So first we start with the biological basis of the behavior, and under the biological basis of behavior, first we study the neurons. Okay students, neurons is a very important part of the nervous system. As I told you that we studied the brain as a main focus, as a main part for the behavior. So nervous system is also a very important part who determine, who affect our behavior. And when we want to study the nervous system and the brain, the main part, your main factor we can say, is the neuron. So neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system, and because it converts stimuli into the electrical impulses. Okay, so the main function of the neuron is the reception, conduction and transmission. I hope you studied in your previous classes also about the neuron in the biology. Okay students, so the main function of the neuron is the reception of any stimulus, any information we can say, and any signal. Information, signal, stimulus is all the same. Okay, so the neurons the main function of the neuron is the reception. After that they conduction means they move on the information into the body, and we can say they move the stimulus, the signals, the information to the brain, to the nervous system, and then they collect the order or they transmit the information, the signal from the brain to the whole body. Okay, so this is the main function, the reception, conduction and transmission of the information, of the signals throughout the body. Okay students, so the neuron means receive informations from outside stimulus, reaches the brain through the sense organs and roots. Okay students, so हम लोग इसको बहुत सिंपल वे में ऐसे समझ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी टेक इन सिंपल एग्जाम्पल फॉर द न्यूरॉन्स process ओके, जस्ट लाइक कि इफ़ मैं मेरे हाथ में कोई पिन है और अगर मैं उसे यहाँ पे टच करती हूँ, ठीक है, और मैं उसे यहाँ पे पिंच करती हूँ तो वो चुभेगा, ठीक है. सो द स्टिमुलस इज द पिन, ओके, एंड इट लाइक दिस टिप ऑफ द पेंसिल, अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पे पुश करती हूँ और अगर ये चुभती है तो जो स्टिमुलस है, द इंफॉर्मेशन, द सिग्नल इज received by the neuron, okay, and it reaches to the brain and through the sense organ, the touch sense organs, okay, and it reaches to the brain, okay, and the brain transmit again any order ki remove your finger from there, remove your finger from there. It is the brain command which is again transmitted by the neurons to the finger, okay. So it means neurons फर्स्ट रिसीव द एनी सिग्नल, एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन कि हमें कुछ चुभ रहा है और हमें वापस हमारा हाथ वहाँ से हटा लेना है. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन वापस से न्यूरॉन्स के थ्रू ही हमारे हमारे हाथ को मिलेगी और हम हमारा फिंगर वहाँ से रिमूव कर लेंगे. तो दिस इज़ द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द न्यूरॉन्स. ओके, नाउ फर्दर वी स्टडीड अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द न्यूरॉन एंड after simultaneously with this structure we studied about the function of the neurons as well as. Okay students, so first look at the screen clearly that you can see the structure of the neurons. Okay, so you can see the soma, dendrites, axon terminals. Okay, those are the central part of the neuron. You can see is the soma. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आपको इससे पहले एक और चीज़ भी जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि नियरली 12 बिलियन neurons are found in the human nervous system, okay, and they are many types of size and shapes in our body, okay. and ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ ब्रेन तक ही हमारी जो इंफॉर्मेशंस होती हैं उनको पहुंचाते हैं. they receive information and they give information to the brain and the spinal cord, our central nervous system, our spinal cord also, okay. so इसको हम बाद में भी पढ़ेंगे. तो हम यहाँ पे न्यूरॉन्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत सारे होते हैं एंड द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स of the neuron is the soma, dendrites, axon and axon terminals. Okay, now you can see the central part of the neuron is the soma, okay, and the root branches like branches like structure you can see in the picture are the dendrites, and the tail like things, the blue tail like thing, it is the axon, and you can see the point like structure in the end, okay. These are the axon terminals, okay students. So first we start with the dendrites and soma, axon because they are the most important part of the neuron, structure of the neuron. So students, first we will study about the dendrites, okay. So dendrites, as you can see, are the branch like structures, okay. So the branch like structures, they basically their work is the receiving of any information, okay. This is the beginning of neuron, okay, and these are the main function of the dendrite is to receive the incoming neural impulses, okay, neural impulses from the sense organs, okay. and after that they dendrites जो होते हैं तो basically they are the receptors for any information for the signals, okay, and the signal arrives in the electrochemical or biochemical form. Then the dendrites, after receiving the information, they passes the information, the signal to the soma. So soma is also a very important part of the neuron. The received signals pass to soma, and after that the soma passed on that received information to the axon, okay. So here the dendrites are the beginning of the neurons. They receive information from outside stimulus like sense organs, and they passed the information to the soma. And remember students, the information always in the form of the electrochemical or biochemical form, Okay, after that the structure of soma. As you can see, the soma, it contains the nucleus. Soma contains the nucleus because as it is, you can see in the picture, as it is the center part of the neuron and it contains the nucleus, and it is the genetic material of the neuron, we can say, because it is the soma actively engaged in cell reproduction and protein synthesis. The soma is the main part who reproduct the cells, okay, and the प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, जो प्रोटीन होता है उसको ब्रेक करके उसके थ्रू वो नए नए सेल्स का रिप्रोडक्शन करता है. तो दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ द सोमा. व्हेन एनी डेंड्राइट रिसीव इंफॉर्मेशन in the biochemical form, in the electrochemical form, the soma, which contains nucleus in it receive information from the dendrites, and after receiving the information, it passes the information to the axons. Okay, as you can see in the picture, axons. So students, the next structure is the axon. Axon, you can see the thread-like structure. Now the length of any axon is depends on the neurons location. Okay, if we talk about the neurons of our spinal cord, they are very long, okay, their length is very much. And if we talk about the our brain's neuron, they are very small in the, we can say कि बहुत छोटे millimeters तक के भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. So the length is depends on the location of any neuron, and these are the thread-like structure. When dendrites receive any information, okay, students, with the structure we are studying the function of the neuron as well as, okay, simultaneously दोनों चीज़ें हम साथ साथ पढ़ते जा रहे हैं, structure भी और उसका function भी. So please keep this thing also in mind. Okay, so when dendrite receive any information through the sensory organs are eyes, nose, ears, touch. Okay, तो किसी भी sensory organ से when dendrite receive information, it passes to the soma. Okay, we studied na soma, which contains the nucleus in it, and the soma is basically responsible for the cell production and the protein synthesis, and it received information from the dendrite and it passes to the axon. When axon receive information from the soma, the main work of the axon is to passes the information, passes the signal to the particular part. Like when अगर वो brain तक पहुँचा रहा है तो वो उस signal, उस जो information है उसे brain से पहुँचाएगा, और when he receive the command from the brain, from the central nervous system, और उसके बाद वो उसे वापस sensory organ तक भी पहुँचाएगा. तो it is the work of the axon. Okay, so axon you can see ना in the end of the structure, the neurons जो structure है उसके end में you can see the little button like structures. These are the axon terminals. Okay, it is the end structure of any neuron. और ये जो axon terminals होते हैं, ये these are very important because these are not physically connected with the another neuron. These are not physically connected with another neuron. They are having a little gap between them. Okay, so the information is in electrochemical form, biochemical form, received by the dendrites, then to the soma, and after that to the axon, and axon to the axon terminal, and then the information jump to the another neuron. Okay, so this is main important thing, that any neuron is not physically connected with each other. The information jump through one neuron to another neuron. So students, the axon work on the all or none principle. Once the information start of it will not stop till the end, till the time it will not reaches its final destination. If we receive any signal Okay, if we receive any stimulus, then it will not stop till it reaches to the final destination. Final destination means the brain or the spinal cord or the central nervous system. जब तक वो वहाँ पहुँच नहीं जाती है वो तब तक नहीं रुकती है. Suppose any time if we are not able to receive the stimulus, suppose जो मैंने ये टच किया और ये बहुत लाइट टच था, ठीक है, बहुत लाइट था टच था, और ये मुझे रिसीव डेंड्राइट्स जो थे हमारे न्यूरॉन्स के, वो उसे रिसीव ही नहीं कर पाए, ठीक है, उसे वहाँ से रिसीव नहीं हुआ इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोई सिग्नल नहीं मिला. देन द बायोकेमिकल, द इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ नॉट कन्वर्टेड, इज़ नॉट ट्रांसमिटेड. सो जो हमारा जो एक्सॉन है वो प्रॉपर अपना वर्क करेगा ही नहीं. बट सपोज द स्टिमुलस इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, देन बहुत तेज़ से अगर ये हमें चुभा है, बहुत तेज़ से पिंच हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो डायरेक्टली जो है वो इंफॉर्मेशन received by the dendrites, then into the soma, then through the axon and axon terminals to the next neuron, and thus the information reaches to its final destination, means brain, and again the brain commands the neurons to take the action कि यहाँ से हमें finger remove करना है. So this is the work of the neuron and this is the structure of the neuron. So students, the axon tip, when we talk about the axon terminals जो होते हैं, they are the tip of any axon and they store chemicals stored in the axon tip are known as neurotransmitters. You can see now the button like structures are the axon terminals, okay, and this here is a chemical is stored जिससे कि जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल और बायोकेमिकल फॉर्म में जंप करती है थ्रू वन न्यूरॉन टू अनदर न्यूरॉन. सो द केमिकल which is contained in the neuroterminals is called the neurotransmitters because it push the information, the signal to the another neuron, because this is the end of the structure of the neuron. Okay, so here is the soma, dendrites, axon and axon terminals. These are the main important. Now the synapses, students, it is the we can say the most important part of the neurons. You can see the structure, as I told you कि जो information is moves through the jump, okay, and any neuron is not physically connected with each other, okay, any neuron is not physically connected with each other. They have a little gap between them, between the one neuron and another neuron there is a little gap, and the gap is called the synapses, okay, and this gap is known as the synaptic cleft. This जो गैप है वो सिनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट होता है, और यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे से जो एक्सॉन टर्मिनल्स होते हैं जिनमें कि न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स होता है, उसके थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन अनदर न्यूरॉन तक पहुँच जाती है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हियर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स. एज आई टोल्ड यू ना, द इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव्ड and again information transmitted. So here are the two types of neurons, the afferent neurons and the efferent neurons. Only the spelling में जो difference है वो A और E का ही है. So the afferent neurons होते हैं वो sensory nerves होते हैं. Sensory nerves in the sense because they receive the information and they carry information to the brain. यहाँ से signal information को वो brain तक पहुँच जाते हैं. That's why they are the sensory nerves, afferent nerves. Okay, and the efferent neurons are the motor nerves who carry the information, the signals from the brain to the motor part, the hands, fingers, ears, eyes. So these are the motor nerves. So there are the two types, afferent and efferent. Okay, the next is nerves. They are the bundles of axons. So students, here are some important terms, important words for neurons, that are the nerves, because nerves are the bundles of axons. Nerves are the bundle of axons, as there is not a single neuron, single axon who transmit the whole information. Okay, so nerves means the bundle of axons. The second term is nerve impulses. Nerve impulse means information that travels in nervous system. जो nerve impulse जिसे हम बोलते हैं, that is the information which we receive through our dendrites. Neurons का जो beginning part होता है, through our dendrites we receive any information and that travel into our body, into our nervous system. That is called nerve impulse. Okay, the next is nerve potential. These are some important terms. Okay, nerve potential. Nerve potentials are the change in electronic potential on the surface of neuron. Means to say, when any information is received by the neuron, okay, then it changes in the electronic potential on the surface of the neuron. जैसे ही कोई चीज़ information हमें receive होती है, वो हमारे surface, जो neuron का surface होता है, उसके potential को change कर देती है. Okay, and always first it is in the form of electronic. After that, when it met with the सोमा, इट कंटेन, जैसे वो सोमा के अंदर जाती है, वहाँ पे जो केमिकल होता है न्यूक्लियस, उससे वो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. सबसे पहले हमें एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव होती है. आफ्टर दैट इट change itself into the electrochemical form, biochemical form. So this is the nerve potential. The next thing is synapse. Synapse means the functional connection between the two neurons. As I told you, synaptic cleft, the structure, the gap between the two neuron is the synaptic cleft, and the synapse means functional connection between the two neurons when one information jump towards the next neuron. Okay, students, so for this video I think please read the book, textbook also, and concentrate on the structure and the function of the neuron. Okay students, thank you.